Just quick setting in the for the open camera in the gym. First of all, go to on-screen GUI. Make sure force maximum brightness is turned off, so that the screen is not on maximum brightness all the time in the gym. Keep display on is turned off. Yep. Now go to video setting. Make sure record audio is turned off because of the music in the gym. What other settings? Video bitrate is on 7. Since there's like a maximum 4 gig recording. Yeah. Force 4K if you want 4K. What other setting? I think that's it. So just make sure this. Oh yeah. Make sure the autofocus is on continuous focus, not on auto, because auto just once. It's like single focus. Make sure it's on continuous when you're taking a video. Yeah, so that's it. Oh yeah, the other one is I think UI. Make sure the lock screen when recording, so you don't accidentally turn it off. That's it. Just make sure these points. Thank you.